Hello, my name is Matt, and here's another update on how development is progressing on the Eldritch Zookeeper, the game I'm making that's all about building a zoo and caring for all the monsters in it. Here's a problem: what happens when you build some fences for an enclosure for a brand new monster, but a visitor walks in? They get stuck, there's nothing to be done to stop them from being a tasty bonus morsel for the monster. The monster likes it, the visitor isn't so keen probably, and for the player this was always just a bit annoying, especially since some of the monsters actually really don't like these fleshy human creatures and would get a bit angry. My solution is to allow the player to pick them up. They can already use their magic curse abilities to levitate boxes, and I've extended this to the visitors as well. You'll notice I've also overhauled the wider inventory system. Before, there were just 3 inventory slots, and if you wanted to build, you'd have to be carrying the mallet item. But you just about always want to be able to build, so I've done away with the mallet item and replaced it with this new blueprint item. The blueprint building system has been in the game for, I think, about 2 years now, so I think what that means is I can join in on suing Fortnite. I think that's what that means. Picking up visitors and items and switching to building stuff are now 2 options up in the inventory section of the screen, in addition to the other items you can equip and switch between. Also, brand new fog system. My last fog system was entirely shader based, it ran on the graphics card, but I kept having kind of a wider variety of problems with it. So my new system physically simulates the fog in a way that I think is quite unique in games. Right, here's how it works from a top-down view. The fog is split up into nodes, and each fog node is connected to each other essentially by invisible springs, and this springy map of fog nodes can be deformed by outside forces and flow in and out, and in game this is what it looks like, right? I quite like the way the fog makes way or runs away from the player as they approach, and then kind of fills in behind 2. Less immediately exciting, but still very necessary in games, is a good old-fashioned options screen, settings screen. And this is where I say what I always say, that all the user interfaces in the game, they're currently unfinished in its appearance, right? I'm focusing on how it works right now. I want to let the player increase or decrease the visual quality of the game in step with how fast their computer is. And there's even a slider here to increase the size of the UI if that's helpful for you. And what will definitely be helpful for you, yes, another very good segue, this is subscribe to this YouTube channel. That's helpful for me probably as well. Lots more updates coming soon, you don't want to miss any, so click the bell icon as well. And the game is also on Steam. Click the link in the description and add it to your wish list. These are the things you should do. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you again soon.